Hi, I'm Natalie with Brand EasyLiner. We offer an easy and decorative way to help tackle everyday cleaning and organizing projects. The EasyLiner brand features a wide range of non-adhesive and adhesive shelf liners that are both stylish and practical for just about every area of the home. Let's talk about our non-adhesive EasyLiner shelf liners. These include Select Grip, Smooth Top, Solid Grip, and Clear Classic EasyLiner. These liners are easy to cut, install, replace, and position. Plus, our non-adhesive liners are all designed with a specific use case in mind for optimal performance. Select Grip EasyLiner is ideal for drawers and utility cabinets. The grip surface top and bottom provide cushioning and protection while also holding items in place. These are machine washable for easy cleanup. Select Grip is available in 12 and 20-inch widths and in a variety of colors and styles. Smooth Top EasyLiner is great for cabinets in your kitchen, bath, or laundry room. It features a smooth top surface so you can easily slide items across, and a non-slip grip bottom keeps the liner in place. The smooth surface is easy to wipe clean and is machine washable. Smooth Top is available in 12 and 20-inch widths in a variety of colors and patterns. Solid Grip EasyLiner is perfect for wire racks in closets and pantries. It features a solid, non-slip top surface to prevent crumbs, spills, and small objects from falling through. And the premium cushion grip bottom protects surfaces from spills or leaks while also keeping everything in place. Plus, the smooth surface is easy to wipe clean and is machine washable. Solid Grip is available in 12 and 20-inch widths in a variety of colors such as black, gray, taupe, and white. Clear Classic EasyLiner works well for refrigerators, wire racks, and outdoor areas. It features a textured, solid top to keep surfaces dry and prevents objects from falling through, while the grip bottom holds the liner and your items in place. And it's even safe for food contact. The top surface is easy to wipe clean and is also dishwasher safe. Clear Classic is available in 12, 18, 20, and 24-inch widths. Now let's talk about our adhesive EasyLiner shelf liners. These include clear laminate, adhesive solids, adhesive surfaces, and adhesive prints. Adhesive EasyLiner is ideal for covering, decorating, and resurfacing projects. These multi-purpose liners can be used in all areas of your home to give dirty, damaged, or outdated surfaces a brand new look. The pre-printed paper backing makes it easy to measure and cut the liner to size, while the protective covering is removable and made from high-quality adhesive laminate. Plus, it's easy to wipe clean and works great with die cutting machines. These adhesive shelf liners are available in 20-inch widths at retailers nationwide. Here are a few more details about our different adhesive EasyLiner shelf liners. Clear Laminate EasyLiner is ideal for covering and protecting objects like recipe cards, flashcards, and books. Our adhesive solids, surfaces, and prints EasyLiners are perfect for adding that extra pop of color or style. They are ideal for covering, decorating, and resurfacing shelves or drawers, and can also be used for common craft projects like covering a bulletin board. Adhesive solids feature solid colors like white and gray, while adhesive prints come in fashionable prints and colors. Adhesive surfaces mimic household surfaces like Carrara marble, granite, and wood grain. As you can see, we have a wide assortment of high-quality shelf liner products that will keep you organized without sacrificing style. Find out even more about our EasyLiner shelf liner offerings at duckbrand.com.